everybody, my name is Sasha, this is Wendy, and today we're going to show you how to draw donut kitties. First we're going to need our paper, next we're going to need our pen. Thank you, Wendy. Now we can get started. Today we're going to draw a stack of kitty cat donuts. That's pretty funny. This one should be pretty quick today. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with our bottom donut. We want to create a nice curved line like so. So I went from the top, I curved around and down, and then I went straight across, and I curved back up. I want to try and keep them the same height as best you can. Next, I'm going to draw in each ear, and I'm not going to start right at the corner here. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, and I'm going to draw in my little triangle shape. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I want to try and keep them the same height. And it's all about practice. So just take your time, try your best. Right now I'm just kind of cleaning up my lines just to make sure that you can see them nice and well. I want to make sure that this is 3D or looks a little more 3D. So I want to create another line to make it have an inside. So towards the top of the ear, I'm going to draw another curved line coming down. Another curved line coming down. So now I have my little kitty cat donut face and the ears. I talked about stacking them, so let's go ahead and get started with that. In the middle here, I'm going to draw a slightly curved line. And that's just where that little hole in the donut is. And it just gives a little illusion that that's where that's going to be. Next, let's draw the bottom of our next donut we're going to draw. That is going to come close to this one, and it's going to come between both of these ears. Like so. I'm going to pick up my pen, pretend like I'm still drawing this curved line that I have down here. So I'm going to pretend like I'm still drawing. It's going to start curving around here. I'm going to curve up, just like I did down this side. I'm going to pretend like I'm still drawing and draw my other curve like so. Now I'm going to draw my ears again. So this is just a repeat. You're going to do the same thing here, and you're going to do one more time. I'm going to curve this in just a little bit so I have a little more hanging in. Draw the inside of my ear. Draw my little donut hole. Draw the bottom of my last donut. Pretend and continue drawing. Pretend like you're continuing to draw. Like so. Make it a little longer so it matches. I'm going to do another set of ears. Draw the other side of my ear. Now this top one is going to look a little bit different. You're still going to do your little donut hole, but instead of doing a line close to the this line we just drew, we're going to draw another curved line going the other way, like so. That is the top of this one. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways and styles to do your toppings, but I would love to see what you come up with and how you decorate yours. So for the first one, I'm going to go ahead and draw his face, and then I'll draw my topping in. I want my first one to be winking. So I'm going to create my little winking eye Move my pen over and draw my regular eye. I'm going to draw my little wiggle right in the middle of those two eyes for the mouth, and he's going to be very happy. Cheeky little devil, look at that. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw a curved line. Remember, if it is going to cross over something you've already drawn, stop, pick up your pen, pretend like you're still drawing that shape, and continue it. Stop, pick up my pen. And this line is curved. It's not just straight across. It is curved. It's going with the direction of my donut. My next donut, I'm going to make it very, what should I call it? Drippy, oozy, gooey, melty. But again, let's draw on our face first. This one I want him to be very happy, and so he's going to be squinting both little eyes. Remember to leave space in between. My little wiggle from my mouth. And this time his mouth is going to look a little bit different. I'm going to add in my ooze. Remember, if I touch something that I've already drawn, pretend like I'm still drawing. And I'm just drawing a bunch of wiggly lines, different heights, different thicknesses, all the way across. My last one, after I draw my face, is going to be a combination of this and this. So it's going to be these two together. That's your combination, is something together. So let's draw in our face. This time I'm going to have both of his little eyes open. I'm going to draw a nice, happy little face, little mouth, because he's super excited. He loves his little buddies. We're going to do a wiggle. And then we're going to do a curved line towards the mouth. Pick up my pen, continue, do a little wiggle. And another curved line. So now it looks like this glaze that's up here got a little bit runny. Lastly, what you can do is add in all your little details. So up here, I don't want to put any toppings. I want to add some shine because this is very glossy. It's very, I can't think of another word for it, but it is. It's just glossy. It's very shiny. And I'm going to draw a curved rectangle shape around my edges. Follow the direction of the line you're drawing next to. So if this curves this way, so will these. And same goes for this one. And I'm going to give a little line in the middle of this one as it's the other side of that hole. So in between these two lines there is a hole for the donut. So this little kitty is all finished. I'm going to add sprinkles onto this one. And in my ice cream video, I talk about this as well. Be very careful where you put your sprinkles and what direction, because if you put anything over the eyes, depending on what angle you have them drawn, they look like eyebrows. So I try to avoid being on top of my eyes, and I try to go next to them instead of right over them. And that way, it doesn't make it look like my little guy has a different expression than what I've drawn already. So there are a few of my sprinkles. This one, I'm going to do hearts, but I would love to see what you come up with. Same for this one. You don't have to copy the way I do it. I would love to see what decorations you put on yours. But again, you're always welcome to draw the exact same that I do. My hearts are going to be in different directions, because when you drop a bunch of little things, they're not all going to land in the same direction. So I'm just going around and I'm changing my directions up, leaving spaces in between. I'm not drawing tons and tons and tons of them. Maybe over here I have a little bit of it get cut off. So now I have my 3 little donut kitties with 3 different types of toppings and 3 different facial expressions. I would love to see what you come up with. Think about different expressions, think about different toppings, and if you want to go the extra mile and you want to color this one, please send me pictures of everything that you do. I'm so excited to see how your work turns out.
Thank you everybody for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you'll come back, share with your friends. But until next time, I'm Sasha. This is Wendy. Bye-bye.